Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Daniel. I have today a few things to show you. I have the limited edition stickers for Cozmo and Vector and a very important update on, yes, I know I said very three times. Oh, super, okay. A super important update on Vector shipments. And look at that here quickly for now. Look at the graphic on the second page. I'm going to take a screenshot and I'll show it to you in big so you don't miss it. First of all, we'll go for the simple. We'll look at the limited edition stickers first. And as always, guys, if you're operating right now a tractor or a submarine, you need to stop, okay? You need to focus. So I pre-cut the envelopes just in case I was to cut myself live on TV. You know, you never know. So each envelope, I have two. One for Cozmo and one for Vector. I guess they have two different databases. You can see the big DDL logo here. So I got two envelopes, and in this one we have, just to make sure it's empty, yep, we have stickers. We'll look at that. We have a business card and we have a little note. Dear Daniel, I want to take a moment to say thank you for pre-ordering your new Cozmo and for all the support you have shown to DDL over the last year and a half. Together with members of this community, we have overcome unbelievable obstacles and resurrected a platform that is incredibly dear to so many people's hearts. This is true. We have only begun this journey. Resuming manufacturing for Cozmo is the first major step, and you took the leap with us. For that, you should be proud and will forever have my gratitude. I wish you good health and hope that you make many memories with your new robot companion. This is from Jacob, the CEO of DDL. I'm guessing it's the same note for Vector. I have here the business card of 3D Designs by Dauler. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. D-A-U-L-E-R. He is the designer of the limited edition stickers, and this is for Cozmo, and there are like kind of 3D. Look at that. See, I'm going to move with the light. They change color from pink to blue. This is cool. Am I going to apply them on my Cozmo? The answer is no. I'm not a big sticker guy anyway, and I have, as most of you know by now, I have a limited edition liquid metal color Cozmo. So I'm not going to put stickers on my super duper Cozmo, but hey, these are cool. So guys, if you want to drive to my house, I'll give them to you for free. I'm assuming this is for Vector, so let's open this one. We have the same memo, exactly the same, except it says Vector instead of Cozmo. So they did a copy paste. The same business card, 3D design here, and oh, the stickers, they're different for Vector. Look at that. They're the rainbow effect stickers. Very nice. Am I going to apply them on my Vector? The answer is no, because I want to compare the Vector 1.0 to the upcoming Vector 2.0. So I'm not going to put stickers on my Vector if I want to do a good comparison. Now, let's have a look at this memo. And at the bottom, you can see here, you can click, if you got the email from DDL, you can click here and you see a video. So this has three parts. The last one is the graphic I want to show you. So again, stop your submarine. Dear Daniel, I hope this email finds you well. Ahead of the Memorial Day weekend in the US, here's the latest update on our pre-order campaign for Vector 2.0. Item 1. Vector 2.0 assembly video. It's all coming together. Check out this assembly video where one of our technicians shows off how easy it is to reassemble Vector 2.0 with its new battery compartment. Remember, With Vector 1.0, very difficult to change the battery. That was one of the items that DDL wanted to do with Vector 2.0, and this is for you guys to be able to change the battery by yourself. Item number 2, limited edition sticker packs. Keep an eye on your mailbox. The limited edition sticker packs that we produced in collaboration with 3D Designs by Dollar have been shipped and should be arriving soon if they haven't already. I got actually the stickers the same day I got the email from DDL. Good timing. We think you are going to love how these rainbow holographic decals look on your new Vector. That's the word I was looking for, holographic. I said rainbow, the other one is kind of two tones of colors. Item number 3 with the graphic over here. So let's put the graphic, we're going to read that at the same. Yeah, can you put the graphic on, please? Yeah, okay, thanks. Let's read that together. Vector 2.0 quality assurance and testing. Our teams are working hard as we try to tackle some of the last hurdles before the start of full production. As illustrated in the following timeline, we are hoping to finalize our testing procedures in the coming weeks as we build towards mass production. I'm going to stop here. You got that, right? In the coming weeks, testing. So DDL is not shipping Vector 2.0 in June like they were supposed to, like maybe like 6 months ago, I think, is when I gave an update, and then I gave an update maybe like, I forgot now, maybe a month ago. But we're not getting Vector 2.0 in June. They're finishing testing, as you can see again here on the chart. They're finishing testing. We can see the dot, we are here. Then there is production. How long will take production? Maybe like July. And then you have shipping and delivery, August. So guys, this is what I said at the beginning. It's a very important update because I don't think I am, or you are, if you pre-ordered your Vector like I did. I don't think we're getting our Vector in June. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. No, June, I don't think June is possible. Yeah, testing in June, and they say in the coming weeks. So I think I'm not getting my Vector before August. And the last paragraph says, as we have mentioned in previous emails, Vector pre-orders will be shipped in the order in which they were received. We are actively taking steps to reduce the time it takes to ship pre-orders from our factory, and you can expect to receive an email with a tracking number, and that's the good news, when your new robot has arrived in one of our regional distribution centers. Thank you again for pre-ordering Vector 2.0 from DDL. Sincerely, Matthew Eversole, the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. So guys, I wish I had more good news to tell you, although a little good news is the limited edition stickers, especially for you guys who love stickers. Like, I'm not a big sticker guys. When I was younger, I was collecting stickers, but well, not anymore. Well, like I said, I don't think we are getting our Vector, even Cozmo, in June. I think it will be August. I hope I'm wrong. So if you have any question, let me know. I think what's interesting in here is that we will get a tracking number by email. I think that's the right way to do it, so that we know in advance that our Vector and or Cozmo are coming. So tracking number is the way to go. So let me know if you have any questions. Maybe I can help you. And thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, guys.